I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. I'm trying to make this darkness go away. I'll paint with color.
Good morning, it's January 3rd, and I'm on the way to work. I was up earlier, as you saw. I went to the gym. I hate waking up early to go to the gym, but I would much rather get it done in the morning, and then after work I don't have to worry about it. So if you didn't know, I'm daily vlogging this month, and I've already uploaded the 2. I have one edited and ready to upload tonight, and this will be the 4th one that you're watching right now. If you're into vlog style videos, you can let me know if there's anything you'd like to see me do this month. So today is Tuesday, and I do have an order due on Friday, maybe pick up on Thursday. So I'm gonna get that done before Thursday. The person is looking for, I forget if it's 2 dozen shortbreads or 1.5 dozen. Anyways, she's looking for shortbreads that are in the shape of snowflakes, and she's also looking for cakesicles. I have to make some pink cakesicles with sprinkles. Head on over to my Instagram at Cara Bakes Cakes if you want to see a picture of something similar. So after work today, I will probably plan out my order for Friday, make sure I have all the ingredients, and make a shopping list if I have to go get some chocolate at Bulk Barn or Michael's or something. So I'll catch up with you in a little bit. So it's much later now. It's 4:15. I worked until 4 today, and I'm tired. I don't know why today felt like such a long day, but I'm exhausted for no reason. I'm on the way home, and I'm just going to stop in my mom and dad's. They're not home right now, but they want me to grab something out of the fridge, so I'm going to do that. Mom still has a ton of leftovers from Christmas and New Year's. They're not home today, so they want me to take some of it so it doesn't go to waste. So I'm fine with that, because I didn't have to cook supper last night, and I don't have to cook supper tonight. So thanks, Mom and Dad, for the free supper, if you're watching. So weather update, it's not that cold. It's 1 degree Celsius, and it's not really windy out right now, and there's no snow on the ground. So it's a little weird to be in December into January and not really have that much snow. We did have one snowstorm, but then it was followed by like a lot of rain, and it got washed away. Thank you. Here, look. Want your butt scratched? He stomp. He stomp. He does a chippy stomp. He does a stomp. The stomp. He does a chippy stomp.
And I'll sing until my lungs give out. I'm gonna let the sun shine in today. And I will leave my windows open so that I can hear the sound of people talking and the wind blowing in the trees. Oh, I will open up my eyes so I can see the light. Oh, and I'll try to spread my wings so I can fly. Oh, and the darkness starts to...
This supper is sponsored by Mom and Dad. Thanks, Mom and Dad. Why am I so tired? Exhausted. I just want to go to sleep right now. It's only 20 after 7. I think I'm just gonna relax and watch YouTube videos for the rest of the night. But I have to edit this vlog, and there's like nothing in it. So I'm sorry to anyone watching this, but you're literally just watching me talk to the camera. Nothing fun happened. I stole food from my mom's fridge, and I'm doing laundry.
Feels like things are gonna go my way. I'm gonna let the sun shine in the day.